And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the toSorted method. It is the same as the sort method, but it leaves the original array unaffected. So there's just a little bit of a difference. Let us apply it to the same example from last time. Banana to grape is the original array ARR. And now I add toSorted. Now everything gets sorted alphabetically, therefore we have apple to pear. Let's print it out again, but before we do, we change toSorted to our sort method, which is the one that we've used in the last tutorial, and it gives us the same results. So apple to pear, if I print it out again, we will get 2 times apple to pear. So the first one here is when we apply the sort method directly, and the second one is the ARR after we've applied it. Both look the same, but if we now change the sort method, make it toSorted, the first one still has apple to pear, alphabetical order, but then the second, the original ARR that doesn't have this method, it's banana to grape again. So if you use toSorted, you will leave the original array unaffected and then you can use it in its original order again. So that's the big difference between the two. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.